Welcome to Jamaica.
2779 clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots.
Runway 07 for JetBlue 779.
779 on time 01, vacate Alpha, request gate assignment.
This is Alpha, and we're going to gate 10.
Continue Alpha, Echo gate 10, wanted to go on 121.7 wind current.
Alpha, Echo to gate 10 and contact ground 1779.
Eagle Bay Tower, this is Chasky 503. We're on RMP, runway 7.
03, thanks to Tower, good day. Clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
And I will Chasky 503.
Four seven, thanks to Tower.
Copa 147, go ahead.
Departure.
Ready for departure, Copa 147.
47 behind the landing SAP 340 on short final. Line up and way behind.
Behind the traffic in final, line on and wait, Copa 147 behind. Alright, Villa 903 ready.
903, thanks to Tower, roger. Hold short, runway 07.
7 Villa 903.
503 on time 25, vacate the taxiway Bravo and then Alpha. Continue Alpha to the western ramp. Wanted to go on 121.7 wind current.
Alpha, go to the ramp and ground Chasky 503.
147, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots.
Echo runway 07, Copa 147.
Milo 903, expect approximately 3 minutes delay. Spacing. Uh, 147 airborne at 27, contact radar 124.0. Good day.
4.0, Copa 147.
Zero 03, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, FLO 903.
Nine 03, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Okay, takeoff runway 07, FLO 903.
Zero 03, airborne at 32, contact radar 124.0. Good day.
4.0, good day, FLO 903.
It's flare 2648 on the RNT, runway 07.
2648, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue approach.
2648. Clear to land runway 07, wind 040 degrees, 12 knots. On time 41, vacate via taxiway Alpha, request gate assignment.
Exit via Alpha, told to go to gate 19.
2648, roger, continue Alpha, Echo gate 19, welcome to Montego Bay. 2648, monitor ground now 121.7.
Houston for RT 07.
295, Sanctus Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 14 knots.
Runway 07, American 3295.
Tower West at 2709, this is taxiing, also holding short 07.
2709, thanks to Tower. Are you ready for immediate departure?
West at 2709.
2709, cleared immediate takeoff runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 10 knots, traffic on 8 mile final.
Takeoff, so they have a leaded dive breaker, West at 2709.
Affirm, no delay on the road. Expect landing clearance on short final.
295.
Entry 295, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 17 knots.
And runway 07 American 3295.
43, Sanks Hotel, roger. Continue approach, runway 07, slow to minimum approach speed.
943.
2709er, airborne at 39er, contact radar 124.0, good day.
0, exit 2709, good day.
00, tower.
The 1800.
Immediate departure behind landing traffic.
Delta 1800.
Landing American 737 on short final, and way behind.
Delta 1800, copy. Hi, he arrived for Delta 1800.
Affirm, thank you. Entry 295 on time 41, vacate right on Bravo, request gate number.
7 American 3295.
Gate 7, monitor ground 1217, wind clear.
Clear, 0.7 American 3295.
00, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots.
Take off 07 Delta 1800.
Tree clear to land, runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 14 knots.
Runway 07, American 2943.
Airborne at 42, contact radar 124.0, good day.
0 Delta 1800.
Tree on time 45, vacate Bravo, Alpha, request gate number.
Alpha Gates 15, American 2943.
Alpha Echo Fox, gate 15, monitor ground 121.7.
Echo Foxtrot, monitor ground, American 2943, good day.